Delhi, a city laying in the heart of India, which for many days because of lockdown we have not been able to explore. Come on, just by sitting at our home today, let's take a virtual tour of it. When it's about India's capital city Delhi, then this city has so much to explore that you won't get enough of it. What if it's locked down right now? We can travel sitting at our homes, right? So let's sit back and enjoy the virtual tour of 7 iconic monuments of Delhi. Let's start with the Red Fort, that's Lal Quila. This magnificent Lal Quila has its own special place in Delhi. Not only because on Independence Day PM hoists the flag here, but also because it's one of the city's culturally and historically rich monuments. At one time it was the royal residence of Mughal Emperor, which has many museums and palaces inside it. Built with red stone, this beautiful architecture still looks so attractive to people that whenever we are near Chandni Chowk, we can't take our eyes off it. Now let's go and see Delhi's wonder, which is tallest brick minaret of the world at height of 72.5 meters. Yes, we are talking about the tallest UNESCO World Heritage, that is Qutub Minar. Located in Mahrauli, Qutub Minar has 379 stairs which lead to the top, though it's different thing that visitors are now not allowed to go to the top due to some past incidents, but for now we can virtually travel. Qutub Minar is built delicately. In fact, many people say that it has some verses from Quran written over it. There are more such hidden mysteries of Qutub Minar that make this place more interesting. Now let's move to our next stop, which is India Gate. When we are talking about Delhi's iconic places and we don't talk about India Gate, this can't happen. Though any Delhiite may haven't seen Red Fort or Qutub Minar, there's no way that no one has seen India Gate yet. This 42-meter high India Gate pays homage to our 80,000 soldiers who we lost during the First World War. Going there on family picnics and having fun in lush and green lawns, or going around with friends and saluting Amar Jan Jayanti, whose flame is light all day, all night. We have done it all. And therefore India Gate holds a prominent place in our hearts. Come on and let's continue our Delhi Darshan and go towards the largest Hindu temple in the world, Akshardhan Temple, a place where art, architecture, peace and nature, you can witness everything. This temple grandeur is worth watching. This temple has 20,000 statues of 7 figures of India. There is a huge Sarovar garden for parikrama. There's 3,000 feet long path also. And above all, the most attractive thing here is the musical fountain show, which is called the Circle of Life. This show is organized every evening. At that time, the aura of this place is different. When we are already talking about art and architecture, then why don't we visit Delhi's art house, that is National Gallery of Modern Art. If you are also an art lover just like us, you will find many things here. This National Gallery has around 17,000 art objects ranging from paintings to sculpture, photographs and art installation. From time to time, many Indians and foreign artists exhibition for their drawing and painting takes place, but there's an advantage of virtual tour. You can look at their art for as much long as you want. That too without any time restrictions. Our next stop is Humayun's tomb. We all have been considering Taj Mahal to be the most beautiful and iconic monument, but do you know that the inspiration behind its making was Humayun's tomb? Humayun's tomb is India's first garden tomb and also the first one to be made of red sandstones in India. Even after many years, this place is well maintained that today it's one of the popular photography spot in the city. During evening when this place is light up, then nothing can look more beautiful than that. Now let's go towards our final destination, Jama Masjid. This is in Old Delhi, therefore there's no way that you haven't seen this star attraction. These Old Delhi lands, Chandni Chowk's market and nearby areas add a different city charms to Jama Masjid. This is considered the biggest mosque of India, which can accommodate 25,000 devotees at a time. In Delhi, Jama Masjid, the peace you get can't be found everywhere. Especially during the Eid time when so many people are gathered here for prayer, you can never forget the scene in your lifetime. With this, our virtual tour Delhi Darshan comes to an end. We know that we can't go to these places physically right now, but let's admit that traveling virtually has its own fun.